Hi everyone! Today we will be doing some online banking simulations. So for simulation number 1, we will be learning about how to sign in to an online bank account. In this activity, we will learn about how to sign in to an online bank account. We will be prompted with a white box with an orange border giving us the how-to steps to sign in. No personal information will be required, and the information that is used is not from a real bank account, but rather it is an example for learning purposes. Okay, so first we're going to click the Sign In button. Next, we need to enter the 16-digit number from the debit card. So for this activity, the 16-digit number from the debit card is 1234 5678 9098 7654. After that, we need to enter the password. So the password for this activity is literacy 1234. And this box right here is telling us that we should never share our debit card number or password with another person other than the people at the bank. And lastly, for this simulation, we're going to check the Save Password box. Now we know how to sign in to an online bank account. If we have any questions or concerns about signing in to our online bank account, then we should contact the people at the bank for help. Okay, so that was simulation number 1. For simulation number 2, we will be learning about how to make a payment and pay a new company for the first time. So for this activity, we owe Taco Electric $68. We're going to pay them using online banking. We've never paid Taco Electric online before, so first we need to set them up as a payee. Alright, so first we're going to click on Pay and Transfer. Next, we're going to click on Pay a Bill. After that, we're going to click Add Payee. Then, we need to enter the company name, which is Taco Electric. Following that, we need to enter the account/bill number, which can typically be found in the top right corner of our bill. So for this activity, we can enter any 7-digit number. So I am going to enter 1234 567, but you can choose to enter any 7-digit number that you would like. Now we're going to click Continue to review the new payee. And now we just need to make sure that the information that we have put in is accurate. So the company name is Taco Electric, and the account/bill number is 1234567. So since this information is accurate, we can click Add Payee. Now that Taco Electric is set up for online bill payments, we just need to pay the bill. So we're going to click on Pay. Next, we're going to choose an account that we would like to pay the bill with. And for this activity, we're going to choose the checking account. Now from here, we need to enter the amount that we would like to pay. So for this activity, we're going to enter $68 for the amount. Next, we need to enter the date that we would like to pay the bill. So for this activity, we're going to enter today's date. The date as of when I am recording this video is December 11th, 2022. Now we're going to click Continue to review the bill payment. Now all we need to do is check and make sure that the information that we have put in is accurate. So the payee is Taco Electric. The account that we are using to pay Taco Electric is the checking account. The amount is $68, and the payment date is December 11th, 2022. So since this information is accurate, we can click Confirm Payment. Now we know how to add a new payee and pay a bill online. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you found this video to be helpful and useful. If you have, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!